you can't focus for more than 10 seconds. Your mind jumps from one thought to another like it's on fire. You overthink simple decisions and still do nothing. And every night you promise yourself you'll change tomorrow. But tomorrow looks exactly the same. And in the next 30 days, you're going to rewire it from the ground up. Doesn't matter if your life is messy, routine is broken, or you wake up at 7 or noon. What matters is what you do consistently for the next 30 days. Step 1. The daily distraction detox. Your brain is cooked, not broken, just overstimulated, overfed, and overwhelmed. So the first 7 days, you're clearing out the noise. Just one rule: 30 minutes in the morning and 30 minutes at night with zero screens. No scrolling, no notifications. These 60 minutes a day are your mental breathing room. Without them, nothing else works. Step 2. The clarity list. Now that your mind isn't overloaded, it's time to clean up the internal mess. Every morning for the next 7 days, you write 3 things: what you want, what's stopping you, what you will do today. Not an essay, just raw truth on paper. When the external noise drops, your internal voice becomes clearer. By day 14, you'll start noticing something strange. Your mind becomes quieter because you've taken responsibility for what's in it. Step 3. The hard task first rule. Now that you have clarity, you need momentum. For the next 7 days, your rule is simple. Every day, complete the hardest task before anything else. Not the longest, just the one you avoid. This connects perfectly to steps 1 and 2. Your mind is clear. Your distractions are low. Now you can push yourself without collapsing mentally. This builds the one thing your old mind never had: proof that you can rely on yourself. Step 4. The identity shift. This final week is where everything changes. Every day, ask yourself one question: what would the disciplined version of me do right now? Then do that. Immediately. You're no longer trying to improve. You're behaving like someone who already has. This ties every step together. Less distraction, more clarity. More clarity, more control. More control, consistent action. Consistent action, identity shift. By day 30, your mind is no longer fighting you, it's following you. Do this, and your mind stops being your enemy and becomes the strongest tool you have.